Okay, congrats on making this far. We have now covered pretty much all the channels you can easily think of when you want to retarget your customers. But there's one more channel I wanted to highlight just for you. It's one of the newest advertising channels, and it's Gmail. Well, Google introduced Gmail advertising just a while ago, and this is an example of a Gmail ad, which shows up on the promo tab on your inbox. Well, I've seen a fairly good level of engagement and sales coming from these Gmail ads. And these days, more and more forward-thinking companies like Uber and Amazon are using it. Don't want to feel like you're falling behind? No need to worry at all. In this section, I'm going to show you how you can set up Gmail ads step by step so you can run your first retargeting campaign on Gmail. But before we begin, let's first think about the nature of this channel. Well, based on your own experience, how many promo emails do you open every day? On average, people open only about 10% of promo emails they receive, and that's why a Gmail ad can provide an incremental value to your business, even if you send promo emails on a regular basis. That said, you need to carefully balance the messaging and timing of your ad with your ongoing promo emails. I would generally recommend that you test out a pilot campaign for a select audience and determine the incremental value of running it. Now, without further ado, let's move on and set up our first retargeting ad on Gmail. Cool. Now let's see how we can set up a Gmail ad. First step you need to do is click on this campaign button on Google AdWords dashboard. So we're going to create a display network only campaign again. Type in campaign name. Let's call it Gmail. Marketing objectives, and click on buy on your website. And for the budget, let's say $40 again. And we're just going to click on save and continue here. And we're going to create an ad group, again based on the audience list. We're going to name it current users number 1. Receive PCB, let's say $3 again initially. Choose interest in remarketing. And here to set up a Gmail ad, you need to choose customer email list. Currently, that's the only customer list that Google allows you to use when setting up a Gmail ad. And choose this existing user list that we uploaded previously. And this will let us serve ads for only this specific group of users. Scroll down a little bit, and we're gonna save and continue. And here we're not gonna create an ad now, so we're just gonna click on skip ad creation. And now we're gonna create an ad by clicking on this ad button and choose Add Gallery. And that'll bring us to this screen where we can choose Gmail ads. And now we have a couple of different templates we can choose from. You can either choose to upload an entire image, choose single promotion template, which looks like this, or multi-product template with different products, or Gmail catalog template, which is a little bit more sophisticated. For this exercise, let's choose image template. And here, name the ad as you wish. Let's call it Gmail test. And again, choose the display URL. I'm going to type in grocery now again. And you need to choose your logo. So select image. You can choose from uploaded images. We have already uploaded this file, so let's choose this one. And you need to specify the advertiser. So let's say grocery now. And the subject line is the title of your email. So let's say get fresh grocery now. And you can add a description which is slightly longer than your subject line. So we can say fruits, veggies, and more. Experience a whole new grocery shopping. Cool. And you can see the preview of your ad. This is going to show up on your collapsed ad. And now we need to choose the actual ad image that you want to use. So let's choose image from your computer. And I have actually created an ad for Gmail for this exercise. And you need to pay attention to the specific dimension that Gmail requires. So pay close attention to it, and that'll let you show your ad in a beautiful manner. So this is how it's going to look on the Gmail ad. And once the user clicks on this image, the user will be directed to the specific landing page that you have designated. And once we have this, click on save, and boom, we're almost there. There's one additional step that you need to do, which is go to Display Network and go to Placements and click on Targeting. Here, click on Add Targeting and Placements. And here you need to specify that you want Google to show this ad on their mail services. So type in mail.google.com and click search. And scroll down a little bit. And here you see mail.google.com. So click on this button to include this in your targeting and close. Click on save, and boom, we have our first Gmail retargeting campaign. Again, if you want to see whether the ad is up and running properly, click on the campaign name and see whether it's actually being run properly with impressions and clicks, and continue to monitor your performance to optimize it.